High above the clouds, where the air contains only a fraction of the oxygen found at sea level, there is a place where death becomes part of the landscape. On the northeast route of Mount Everest, climbers pass a landmark known simply as Green Boots. It's not a rock formation. It's not a campsite. It's a human body. For years, climbers used Green Boots as a navigation checkpoint on their way to the summit. The body, believed to be that of an Indian climber who died during a deadly storm in 1996, remained frozen inside a small cave near the trail. At over 8,500 meters above sea level, Everest enters what climbers call the death zone, a place where the human body slowly begins to die, even while standing still. Every step becomes a battle. Judgment weakens, muscles shut down. The lack of oxygen can trigger hallucinations and confusion. Some climbers have reported seeing people who weren't there, while others sat down to rest and never stood up again. What makes Everest especially haunting is that many of its victims never leave the mountain. Retrieving a body from these altitudes is incredibly dangerous. A recovery mission can require multiple climbers risking their own lives while carrying hundreds of kilograms down steep ice walls. The cost can exceed tens of thousands of dollars, and sometimes the risk is simply too great. As a result, more than 200 bodies are believed to remain on Everest today. Many are hidden beneath snow and ice. Others are visible from the climbing routes, preserved by the mountain's freezing temperatures like a tragic time capsule. Yet Everest isn't the only place where nature is forcing humanity to confront uncomfortable realities. Thousands of kilometers away, another challenge is unfolding. Indonesia is moving its capital from Jakarta to a new city called Nusantara. The reason isn't politics alone. Jakarta is sinking. Parts of the city are subsiding by several centimeters each year due to excessive groundwater extraction, while rising sea levels increase the threat of flooding. Some neighborhoods already sit below sea level, protected only by seawalls and pumps. One story reveals what happens when humans push beyond the limits of survival. The other shows what happens when nature pushes back. From the frozen slopes of Everest to the sinking streets of Jakarta, these places tell the same warning. The world's most extraordinary landmarks are also reminders of how fragile human existence can be.